memory game. So actually we will have this 4x4 grid. There will be hidden emojis, then we have to match it by 2 click. So let's say I click on it, then I get this emoji. Then for the second click I have to find that one, and also I have to remember so that I can make attempt to that is matched. So let's read the requirement here. Display a grid of face down card. So like we have a card and we make it face down. Each card representing a different item or image. You can use image. A list of images has provided. The grid should consist of a equal number of cards to make pairs. So we have to make sure that has equal number of pairs. So here it has 8 pairs of cards. When a player click on a card, it should flip over and reveals the image. Whenever we click on that face down card, then it will flip and show us the image. Allow user to select 2 cards at a time. So user can select 2 cards at a time. If the selected card have the same, then it match and it should remain face up. So if we match it, then it should face up. And if 2 selected cards have been different images and the player wait, if the selected card have different, the player select other cards, then the 2 selected cards should flip back. Have different, the player select other card flip back. 2 selected cards should flip back. Okay, and do nothing. Okay. That good shit. Okay, I'm not getting this point. Do nothing. That is a short delay. So after some delay, it should revert if player do nothing. If other card is selected, selected should flip back to selected card should flip back. Let's say when all the players successfully then end the game and play again button should be there. Okay, let's check it. For this part I click it, not miss, so it will immediately. Okay, if I click that, okay, then it will remove that one immediately. Okay, got it. I thought that I should match up with that last select. Okay, got it. It is. Yes, you notice I select this two, then immediately click that one, it matched with that instead of removing that one. So there is something. Okay, let's see it not matching. No, sometimes it okay, but now okay. Let's see these two get flipped together, but sometimes it behaves differently. Okay. So it is my mistake while clicking it. Okay, now I got my point. So let's start with this. So to do that, I think it's pretty simple and straightforward. I will have a state and I will have this card as a button. Whenever I will click it, I will add to the state that selected emojis, and whenever the lane I will have one effect that will determine that that will determine that my selected two images or images matches or not. So if it is matched, then I will count as reveal, and if it is not matched, then I will add a timeout to revert back to face down state. So this is it. So, and for the emoji selection, I will have that right now we will have 8 pair. This will be hard coded. We can make it dynamic, but for now, as the example says, we'll do as it is. So we have to pick the random emojis from here, 8 emojis, and they will show up into the game, and then render it there. So for the to maintaining this, we have to keep a 2D array, or we don't need a 2D array. From the 2D array we can count as a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then we can make it like that way. So a straightforward array to make it that it's already selected or matched, and also it's flipped. Okay, so let's start with with the design. So first we will have this will be a container, and this will be a container, and this will be a emoji card, emoji card. This will be emoji card, so that here we will have a emoji. So let's just map emojis map. So here we'll render emoji, and so we'll render that emoji with a span tag, so that we can add some styling for font size. So this will be emoji card and emoji. So this is it. So now we have to start the styling here with this border 3 pixels solid, and border radius should be 8 pixels. This is good enough. We have to use display grid grid template column repeat for 1 per, and also grid template rows repeat for 1 per, and justify content center and aspect ratio 1:1. But align items center, wait, I don't know why it is not getting centered align. Okay, I got the point now. Actually it is centered. Okay, let's remove that slice point. So there is 4 emojis. Okay, no problem here. So let's start with the emoji card. So here it is, so border similar 3 pixels solid, and border radius 8 pixel. Here we should have gap and with 10 pixel. Is it justify content or something else? We don't need to define with it, should be auto and display flex and align item center, justify center. So this is good. Then that emoji will be font size 30 pixel. Now it's look good. Let's say 36. But it seems like not centered. Okay, let's have it now. So now we have to have another class, that emoji card. This good. Flipped then after content, then with 100% position, absolute position, relative background color red. Okay, let's add this color to the okay. Now the color should be gray. Okay, good. Border radius 8 pixels. Done. Okay, now HTTP button. And we can easily listen for the click event. So that's it. Let's slice it to 0 to 16. I need to learn more about Grid, actually why this is not expanding. I don't know. I have to learn it. Actually I forgot this. I Okay, let's get the emojis. Emojis listed with empty array. Okay, now we will add a click event that will select emoji. Right. Before doing so, let's start to get okay. God valid initial emojis that will emojis get random emojis that will be our helper function which will return us array of emojis. So okay, let's start the timer. I forgot to start the timer. I think I already spent more than 20 minutes to it. Now let's start writing that code for getting random emojis. So let's get started with this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 21 emojis, right? So we will get is less than, we can select a pair, then we can get, so here we will have a pair pairs. Right now 8 pairs less than pairs, then I plus 1, then so count list will be here and list will be returned. So here there is another problem that in the list of emojis we have duplicates, I guess. Okay. That is a problem. If the random is picking the same images twice, then it will be wrong. It might not be wrong. I can have multiple pairs of it, right? Okay, there is one problem here, that we can get random same emojis multiple times. So let's keep it as it is. So if we get multiple times, then we will have that similar pair twice. Okay, now let's you see, I'm getting that two things twice. Const list set okay. Right now I'm just selected index set list set else down. Okay, can use while. It doesn't have that, then we can do it. Otherwise we need to generate. But this is not good. Let's do another thing. This is not still not to prevent it. Okay, just let's keep it here as it is, so that we can have multiple set. So it is good. This is not good. I have to prevent it. well, it is not. Then we want to add selected index counter. Again the add-on. But for the first time, okay, I am making it wrong. If it is helps, then I will do it. There is no, and then I will add list set and we selected index. So now I have prevent that I will never get same images twice. So look, okay, now the thing is getting good. Good. Okay. Okay. Now we have to create random pairs with get random pairs. We have to pass initial images, right? Get random pairs will be like this emojis. Here we will create a random emojis. So first that we will have const pairs with like that emojis. So now let's return that pairs. So now you will get wait. So now we are getting that same ordered thing. Now we'll shuffle it. How can we shuffle this emojis in between? Okay, how can we shuffle? Okay, so we will create a randomized thing. Here we will create a let's have dot random with I and math dot floor. And now let's swap pairs. I pairs j with pairs j with pairs I. Something went wrong. It is good. Shuffle is good enough, I think. Okay, so shuffle is good. Now we have to maintain that which one is clicked. Okay, in the buttons we have to add flip. Okay, flipped. Wait, what? Wait, what happens to that? It was working before, right? Okay, now let's add a handler. Next, we will add that index, selected image index. On click will be handle emoji selection. On handle emoji selection will be like this. So we will pass the index to the function. So emoji index, this is going to be the right path. Emoji index. So okay, good. Now we all have something like this. Instead of is selected emoji start includes. Oh, oh. We have to separate these two, right? So we can divide into another component called memory game component, which will get peers and that will get peers and those will render or as. So these two things will be here. So return memory game with peers will be random peers. Wait, just keeping it. Okay, now it is code that I can flip it, and another one is selected. It has some background. Okay, let's keep it like this, and the button should be disabled. Okay. Okay. Now it is good. Now we will check. We will check it for now. If selected images is greater than 1 equal to, then we will immediately remove them. Select emojis to empty, not empty emoji index immediately. So then wait, selected emojis, the emojis returner rave battery done right. Okay, so immediately change it. If okay, so here I have to do the math, and also here we'll have the masked emojis, and also the set emojis, so it will also be array. Selected is array. Okay, this will be okay. should always have the emoji card. Okay, good enough. Okay, so I'm thinking about that. The next, wait, read and prove. I'm thinking about that when I have one, then I have to match it. So let's do another thing. Next, I think we are getting that if that selected images dot length equal to, the logic is getting weird. So let's look at the console. It will never gonna be called. Yeah, it is not immediately reflected. So we have to use the effect. Use effect. If what is true and and then selected image is 0. Okay, let's have it in a different way. Is matched peers dot selected image is 0 equal peers selected image is if it is matched, if it is matched, then we have to do the thing. If it is matched, we have to push those index, set matched images, prev and selected images. Okay, that's it. It is matched, and we have to remove it from selected images to back to the normal. Okay, yeah, but why it is not showing up? Oh, some class name error is there, I guess. Okay, if not matched, then we have to add valid timeout id null. Okay, so timeout id will be set timeout after 1 second. It will be making set selected images back to the header, and when we return time id it clear timeout. Okay, let's click it. Done. Okay, wait, let's inspect them. Flipped is there. Why flipped is there? Is selected images. Okay. Okay, I guess I am making mistake here, and then not is math. I think I made a mistake here. It should be like not having this way. If it is selected, emoji got flipped, and emoji card and emoji card. But if it is wait, it is selected. Okay, I'm making mistake here. My task is completed, but I'm pretty confused in that how I will maintain this thing. That if it is selected, then by default it should be flipped. I am making mistake here, so it is select not selected, then it will be flipped. When it is matched, selected, and then not matched, not each matched. Okay, good. Okay, let's play together. It is. Okay. Now one feature is remaining here when all the thing is matched, then we should show a play again button. Okay, I was completely forgot about that one, so we have to maintain it in a different way. So for now I'm closing this one here.